If you needed to switch it, you can hit it with a wrench. Most of your problems can be solved by hitting it with a wrench. Baby keeps crying, and I'm just kidding. It's terrible. Oh, Ollie. Ollie, go hate me, dude. No, I did it again. See, that's what I get. Please don't hit me, baby, with anything. Anything except for maybe cheese. Yesterday I was making a sandwich and I was like, oh man, next time Ollie starts crying, I'm gonna break out the camera and the cheese. Let's see if it works. The old cheese to the face. Babies love that.
Don't butt! Who do you think you're fooling? I just saw your...